to meet you. And this toy is awesome. It's in my Paw Patrol. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, should we open it? This is Ryder. Get this. And the chain. Ryder fell off. There, like that. Marshall, guys. Marshall fell down. Ryder fell off, Marshall. And next is Chase. She's on the case. Next is Skye. He had a rescue pup. And Mommy starts flying so low. Wookie! Pup is walkie. My cycling pup. Yeah. And yeah, this. Mommy, I think it's underneath moving. Lucky Green Go. Rubble. Next. They're all here. Rubble on the double. Told you. Mommy, now he instruction little pup. Oh. Look.
So beautiful, right?
Yeah. Well, instruction, Zuma, what you said? It's diving. He said diving. And his puppet. Out. Now take a look. Hello, everybody. My name is John. Hello. This Ryder, this Skye, this Rubble, this Chase, this Rocky, and this Zuma, and this Marshall. Go. Well, on the double. Let's take to the side. All right, punch it on the wood. It's diving. Stay on the case. I'm flying up. And I'm going for 1, 2. So many cars, cool, huh? Bury them now. First we have Marshall. Look at Marshall, he's so cool. Ow! Zuma. Rubble fell off. Look at Chase, he got wrench to pull out. And you, what nothing? Hello? Let me see. A diamond. Change to submarine. How we put it back? This side now. This side. Let me ask to it. Hello, this is Ryder bike. You have a big heavy vehicle. Look, he can walk. Get this. You talk about. Paw Patrol. Is anybody so funny? Now next pup. Here, a rescue pup. Look, he can fly. Like this. Now let's take him to Skye. Shoot! Can you get off? Cars! What? Yep! That was 3-4. Zuma, you want to take? Yeah. Now, got them at the same time. They're all the cat away. That's not Ken. That's not eating. And stop fussing, Ryder. Yeah, if you not stop fussing and you're not so good about talking. Yes, you're not good about talking. But alright, Paw Patrol on the wood. Paw Patrol. Let's go! Mommy, everybody like my toy. Now we should find them. What? Zip lines. Down below. Thanks for finding me. You're welcome. We should find the other guy. Yes, we should. Alright, let's go find him. I see something over there. Yeah. What's that? It's Rubble. Now it's Master. Now it's Yoda. Yes, it's this. It's Rubble. Should we find the twins? Yes, let's go find the twins. Here. I saw something up and this camera deciding at the claw. Here you go. Operation. Yeah, find all the twins. What? You guys see something up there? Oh. I found Zuma. Zuma, she got him. I was lost. Don't worry. Yeah. I found something up. I should go back to him. Gotcha. Safe and sound. Woo! Can take a look around. I found him. He's right over the tree. There you go. Ryder. And then he cannot move. Look at this. Next is Zuma. Next is our car. Should we go find them? Yeah, yes, we must. Okay, let's find them. There's Rocky because we have emergency centers, so we must go in our vehicle. Yeah, we should. Huh? That's okay, Rocky. We can go in our beacon or in them beacon. In my car. Hey, what you sitting? I just sitting and driving this. On the double. Let's take to the side. All right, Paw Patrol is on the wall. Let's dive in. She's on the case. I'm fired up. React toy and react video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.